These are three skincare products you need in your skincare routine as a beginner. If anybody is telling you something else, tell them to need that site. For a streamlined skincare routine, you primarily need cleansers, moisturizers, as well as sunscreen. Now, these three ingredients addresses functional issues like removing dirt and impurities, maintaining skin hydration, as well as protecting the skin against sun damage. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can use these three ingredients I just listed to achieve a very beautiful skin. I'm also going to be giving you product recommendation as a beginner if you don't know what to use. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome to this one. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you three products you can work with as a first time girly looking for what to pamper your skin with. I notice a whole lot of people are finding it difficult to know what like the essential products to have in your skincare routine. And I'll tell you that whether or not you are into skincare, these three products are products you obviously would need in your skincare routine to help give you a radiant, beautiful skin. Secondly, it's not just tailored to a particular skin color. Before you say, will it darken me or will it lighten me? This is just like a foundation of what you need in your skincare routine, like from start to finish. And so we're talking about cleansing your skin, moisturizing your skin, as well as protecting your skin, especially for those who are using lightening skincare products. Do not worry, because this routine covers for both face and body. It's obviously going to be of help to you. As a beginner, you obviously would need a cleanser in your skincare routine. I know of a whole lot of people who just feel lotion can do everything. The truth is, lotions would do just as little. So the very first product you need in your skincare routine is cleansers, and cleansers just basically remove dirt and impurities, oil and makeup without stripping your skin. So you need gentle cleansers. For this, I'm going to recommend the simple refreshing face wash for your face. This is very effective and is very mild. It cleanses deeply. Like I said, it is not tailored for a particular skin tone. Before you say, oh, this is going to darken me. If you want to really have a beautiful face, you have to be very particular about the kind of cleansers you use, because there are cleansers that strip the skin, so you don't want to end up with a stripped skin. It's very good and is very affordable, especially for beginners. You don't want to start with something that would scare you. And I know it gets really excited when you're just starting your skincare journey and you want to go for them high-end skincare product. It is important to know that prices of skincare skyrockets every day, so you want to do something you can always afford when you're out of it. So simple refreshing cleanser just serves as a cleanser as well as a face wash, so you don't need to buy other cleansers for this purpose. The next cleansers I'm going to be recommending is the Face Fact Ceramide Cleanser. This cleansers is very good. It has 5 different types of ceramides. It also has hyaluronic acid, oat milk, and deeply cleans the skin. It's suitable for both dry skin as well as sensitive skin. It will not irritate your skin or leave dirt hanging. This does not clog the pores, which is why I carefully selected them, especially for beginners. Like, you're definitely going to love your skin. If you are a girlie that applies makeup on daily basis, you want to settle for either of these two cleansers, because again, it serves as a facial wash as well as a cleanser, so it's definitely going to do the job. Now for your body, you need any good soap of choice. Thoroughly wash your body really well with very good hydrating soap that would help retain moisture on your skin, that would not furthermore strip your skin. Whether or not you're using a lightening product, you want to be very deliberate about your pre-cleansing soap, because that would help prep your skin for your other soap to work or do its magic. Exfoliation is very important for this purpose, so you want to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what your skin type is. If you have a sensitive skin type, please, you want to limit to using your exfoliant once or twice a week, especially for those who uses the cool spa salt and all of that. Like, this is going to strip your skin. If you are a beginner, you might not like the end result, so it is very important to be careful on the kind of cleansers or exfoliant to go for. I know a whole lot of you would say, what exfoliant would you recommend? For starters, use this particular scrub. You're definitely going to love it. What it does is that it just helps retain moisture, has like beautiful ingredients that would suit your delicate skin. Now, the next thing you obviously would need is a moisturizer. When picking a moisturizer for your skin, it is important to consider the ingredient listing in this moisturizer. If the ingredients listing are not particularly for hydration, moisturizing, and brightening, know that you're not going to get the best off of it. This particular skincare routine is for people who already have like maybe something working for them, like a lightening skincare product or whatever, but you just need something to hydrate, moisturize, as well as glowing your skin, because there is no good skincare routine that does not involve having a moisturizer. So it is very important to know that these three ingredients or these three products are essential in skincare routine, regardless of your skin color. You see the skin that you admire that is looking glowy and all beautiful, these people have legit like beautiful high-end moisturizers. There are other affordable moisturizers like under 6,000 naira moisturizers that can still give you beautiful results. If you are a girl that has a very high taste for skincare products, you want to settle for Lactin Daily Moisturizer. Is very good. It has lactic acid that helps to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells as well. For a product that moisturizes, hydrates, as well as brighten your skin, also go as far as exfoliating your skin, it means that you're going to get the whole benefits. I think it's currently selling for 40 to 45,000 pending on your location and pending on where you're getting it from. Do not worry if you are on a budget, you want to settle for the Nivea Radiant and Beauty. It also has lactic acid, so if you feel you don't have money for lactin, go for this one. It's going to help exfoliate your skin. You can also settle for the Nivea Shea Moisture or Cocoa Butter. Oh my goodness, this is going to like really hydrate your skin. Again, these products are not going to darken your skin. These are products you can be using during the day and then your lightening products at night. If you don't have issues using this morning and night, you can definitely pass and you'll see your skin looking really beautiful. These three lotions I listed are lotions that will definitely give you reasons to smile when you look at your skin. So yes, you can use your moisturizers twice daily, because that is definitely going to be like a plus. Let's say you use your lightening skincare routine before bedtime, you want to top it up with an oil or whatever it is you use to moisturize your skin with. This would make your skin look beautiful or glowy in the morning. I tell people anytime I wake up in the morning, like I get the most compliments in the mornings as to how beautiful and flawless I look every morning. Like if you see the kind of compliments I get, I kid you not, if for every time I'm being admired in the morning I get paid, I'll probably be a billionaire in dollar. I kid you not. But if you see how I take my time to moisturize my skin at night before bedtime, you would feel maybe I want to go out. Like it is very good to prep your skin, because again, your skincare product will work better during the night time. But I see people say, oh, I don't apply product during the night because it's a waste, I'm going to bed, where am I going to go to? Excuse you, in case you don't know, let me bust your bubble. That is the best time to apply your skincare product. Nighttime routine should not be overlooked or underrated, because that is the only routine that gives you compliments. For your face, you need a moisturizer. You can pick any moisturizer of choice for your face that would help retain moisture. Moisturizers that are lightweighted, that will not clog your pores. Simple Daily Hydrating Moisturizer is very, very lightweighted and it will not clog your pores. But why I don't recommend it is because it is not so moisturizing. So I'm going to be recommending you Goji Berry Moisturizer. This moisturizes your skin and it doesn't strip your skin as well. Like it calms the skin because it has berry extracts and retinol, which helps to slow down early signs of aging. This helps to fight impurities as well as wrinkles, so it is very good. It is important that you have a vitamin C serum for your face, because this helps to basically just brighten up your face and improve your skin texture. Now moving down to protection, because you will need to protect your skin. Get a sunscreen that would help protect your skin. I would highly recommend that you use broad spectrum sunscreen. SPF 30 and above would really shield and protect you against the harsh UV ray of the sun. L'Oreal-Posay sunscreen is one good sunscreen I will always recommend for a girlie who wants to be very intentional in protecting their skin. Okay, if you want to be very intentional, you want to give in your all, try out this sunscreen. You're definitely going to love it. Very lightweighted, it doesn't clog your pores, it doesn't sit heavily, it just penetrates immediately after application. It is not so cheap, so I have to just push that out there so you don't feel it's selling for 5,000 or 6,000. No, this is not your regular 5,000 naira, 6,000 naira, 7,000 naira sunscreen. But then again, you're definitely going going to have value for your money, because it's not something that would run out in the next 1 month. Sunscreens are one of the skincare products that tend to last longer, and we tend to enjoy our money better than our other skincare products. You see, sunscreen and body scrubs, these two products last longer on our vanity more than every other skincare product, so you will not regret buying this particular one. The next sunscreen I'm going to be recommending that will shield and protect you really well is CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen. This also is not so affordable, but it's definitely going to do its job. If you want to settle for a very affordable sunscreen, Skin Aqua is one way to go, because this is very good. I have seen a whole lot of people who can afford to get the high-end sunscreens but decide to settle for this one because it does what it says it does. This one moisturizes the skin and it comes in a gel-like form, so it is very effective and would protect you against the harsh UV ray of the sun. So whether or not you're going out, you want to apply your sunscreen, these are the 3 things that would like eventually leave people giving you compliments. Okay, so do not overlook them. You see, cleansing, moisturizers, you see, protection. With these 3 steps, you will not have bleaching effect or any reverse effect. So it is very important that you pick mild cleansers that will cleanse and not clog your pores, that will clean dirt and all on your face. Then moisturizers that would moisturize as well as exfoliate your skin, which is the one I have recommended that has lactic acid. Like, these things are very good that I see a whole lot of people underrating. That is that you people take what we recommend you on YouTube for a joke because you feel you're not paying to get the information. We're just begging you to watch. See, if you go to any dermatologist or a skin therapist, or let's say estheticians, these are things that will place you on, and you will buy very expensive. Most of the times it might not work. So if you're watching this video with the intention of, okay, let me watch and go and bleach my skin, this is not for skin tone. However, it's still going to make you dark. This is basically a prep for your skin as well as protecting your skin. So I hope you find this really helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel here, and do not forget to drop me your video suggestions and let me just know what you guys want to see next. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.